Good morning. I am going to show you today how to make this super cute onesie. I have a couple of friends who just had babies, and so I've been making onesies. We are going to show you how to do all of this and how to cut it and put it on a t-shirt. First of all, we need to get the shape. Now I think I might have uploaded that shape. It probably will still be here maybe. Yep, there it is. I went to Google and I put in superhero. There, that's the one I wanted. And I went to images because this is such an easy thing, an easy illustration kind of thing. It's not like proprietary or anything. Anyway, so I went down through here and I found it. I don't know how. But anyway, there it is. So I figured out exactly how big I needed this. I measured the little onesie and figured out how big I needed it. And then I started building my words. So it's really easy, and each one of them had a different font, which always makes it very interesting. I need to unlock this so I can manipulate these words a little bit because they're going to be kind of centered underneath this mask. Let's make this mask a little bit bigger. And I wanted something kind of clean. Let me pull this picture over here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. I want something really clean. And I want to go to System because I don't use their fonts. And so I just start trying different fonts until I find one. Now, like I said before, you can always jump over to DeFont and do this much easier and quicker. Let's see what happened to our little picture. No, I don't like that. This is what really takes the longest for me, is choosing the font that I want to do. Because, I don't know, font's kind of an individual thing. I'm not finding anything I like so far. There, let's go with that. Is that the one that I used there? I think it is, Caviar Dreams. Okay, so we're going to kind of center that underneath there. And I think actually I printed this separately than this. So let's do our next words, which is super. And I want that to be like really bold. So let's try impact for that. That's not what I used though. I kind of like how funky those words are. So let's go back through here and find something else. I like that, but not quite. No. No. As you can see, this could take me forever. So let's just use that. I want to unlock that because, as you can see, super is a really big word. So let's do that. Next is heroes. And if you can see, I used capitals on all of these, but heroes is not capitalized. So I'm going to take that off. Heroes, and I always spell heroes wrong. It's the craziest thing. And let's go back up here. I saw that font that I used for that here. This one, I think, yes. I thought that was so cute. Okay, let's look. Unlock it, make it a little bit longer. And we could actually make these a little bit closer together, so let's squeeze them together a little bit here with the letter space, and that way we can make maybe our letters a little bit bigger. Okay, what's next? When I have, and that is not all capitalized. When I have, although was have capitalized? Yes, it is. Actually, hello. I have, okay. Let's change that. I'd like to do it to this, which was Caviar Dreams. Nice that it comes up like that. Yay. Okay, so I'm gonna unclick it so I can unlock it, move this in. See how that looks. And I have, and one more word, which is Dad, and I'm pretty sure that was all capitalized with an exclamation point. And let's go ahead and do it in this same font, which was Divine Swash. There it is, right there. Okay, let's unlock it so we can change it up. Okay, there you go. So it's very easy. Like I said, I separated this and I put this together, group it together and attach it, because remember, if we don't attach it, Cricut will try and save us vinyl and put them all like this, and we don't want that. So basically what I did was I put it up in this corner and I put this next to it, and I cut them separately, and then I ironed the words on first, and then I ironed the mask on, and you can see how it looks. Looks great. I did it on just a white onesie that I got at Walmart with black HTV heat transfer vinyl on there, and I think it looks great. Okay, so go and make some great stuff. Bye. Have a great day. Keep on crafting.